Hey you guys, welcome back to my XPPen Artist. This is the third illustration in my collaboration with XPPen and their wonderful Halloween contest giveaway that I was asked to contribute to this year. So this is a Yeti, and he's kind of upset because he's dropped his ice cream. I always think that's kind of funny whenever you kind of have duality of thought and complexity of illustration, but not going so far. I mean, keeping things simple, that's always my philosophy, right? Very simple silhouette, very simple character design, and a very clear expression, being upset. And of course, having that reason why he's upset, he dropped that ice cream. Working in Photoshop today on the XPPen Artist Pro 19-inch, second generation. This is their latest and greatest to celebrate their 19-year anniversary. And I also did a review on this product on my channel. What a wonderful product it is. Great pressure curve. And I've talked about this in the other illustrations as well. Yeah, working on little items like this. It's kind of my bread and butter. As a toy designer and illustrator, I just really enjoy doing stuff like this. So go ahead and sit back and enjoy, and like and subscribe if you like what you see, and definitely stick around because we still have one more holiday inspired illustration to go. All right, you guys, enjoy. Bye.